I'm Judi Love Bowman, aka Dr. Think and Shine. Somebody asked me, why is your suit leaning over? I don't know. It might have been the way it was shipped. Okay, doesn't matter. It's not the clothes that make the person, it's the person that makes the clothes. Amen. But one of the questions from our writing workshop was, how do you know when you're finished? Well, I'm not sure if you ever do. My dissertation proposal, when I was working on my doctoral degree, my dissertation proposal, not the dissertation, the proposal was 15 drafts. I remember when I wrote, this is the 10th anniversary edition of P15 Passbook 2.0. But when I wrote the original P15 Passbook in 2014, 10 years ago, when I wrote the original, it was published in 2025, I must have had at least 20 drafts of that book, and I could have kept going. Same with Peaches, my first Peaches book, Woman's Thoughts on Finding Peace, Overcoming Peril, and Tapping Power. And so you can always add something to it, but you have to finish sometime, otherwise you'll never finish. So don't procrastinate on finishing. Don't expect it to be perfect. Even though, and I've never used AI in any of my books. Well, of course, the artists probably use them for these covers. But as far as writing the books, the only thing I've used was spell check as of March this year, March 2026. I'd never even used Chat GPT or AI, Open AI. I never even learned about it. My husband and my son taught me about it, and I think it's great. And I'm working on a project now, and I didn't want to go into AI for it. I started to go to AI to help with the conceptual framework, but everybody's different. I'm old school, so that's the way I did it. You don't know when you're going to finish, but you got to finish. And when you're in that zone of writing, depending on the genre, everything you see is going to give rise to taking notes. Keep those notes in your phone. Email yourself, text yourself, record yourself, take pictures, and email them to yourself. And before you do those final drafts, go through all your emails and notes. There might be one thing you need to add, but you've got to finish. I know it's difficult. I want to hear from you. God bless you and happy writing.